Yo, yo, what's up, gang? Chi-Raq family. We back with another hitter. What's good with everybody, though? I know we've been lacking and slacking. Josiah, be quiet, bro. Be quiet while the video going, okay?
I think you need a bit stuff.
No.
Josiah, you play
No, I'm gonna whoop you.
That's your problem.
You want me to whoop you?
No.
Okay, calm down. Like I was saying, y'all, what's up, gang? Me and Shannon in the building. I just made some spaghetti. I just made some chicken wings in the oven. We got garlic bread, garlic rolls. I got corn. They ain't want no corn. And guess what, y'all? We got some pink sauce. And Shannon just tried it. He said it's horrible. We ain't tried it yet, but he just opened it and tried it. And I'm drinking on some black raspberry.
Cherry lemonade.
And as y'all see today, I ain't put no cheese on there. The kids like, why you ain't put no cheese on there? I got tired of putting cheese on there, put it in the oven. So we just got some regular spaghetti with bell peppers and onions. And this one hers. This one mine. Okay, we're gonna bow our heads and pray. Well, thanks to we got another new subscriber yesterday. Thanks for joining the Chi-Raq family, baby. You part of the team now, shorty. I know we've been slacking like crazy. But like I said, y'all, I know y'all tired of hearing me say this. We're in the process of moving, and we're in the process of one of our kids finna go on prom in a couple days. You feel me? But we're gonna bow our heads and pray. Ain't no need for all hee hee hee, ha ha ha. Let's bow our heads and pray. And look at Shannon. Look.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, share.
Yeah, don't forget.
Post notifications so y'all can know we drop it.
Yeah, what he said. We're gonna bow our heads and pray.
We go red.
Amen.
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 Don't pay attention to our background because he finna get smacked in a minute.
What did you say, y'all?
Y'all see what I mean? See, he finna get smacked right now. Here come his mama. Y'all, these is so good, y'all. Like, we addicted to these. It's the sparkling ice. I got black raspberry. It's 0 sugar. And it got 5 calories.
Oh, you got me a plate.
It got 0% fat, 0% sodium, protein 0. It got vitamin A, 15%, B, 15%. And it's good, y'all. It tastes like it got sugar in it, but it don't. I mean, they fine. This is my favorite one. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let me see what's up to this with the spaghetti. I told them they can still put cheese on theirs though. Put it in the microwave if they want.
No, it's good.
I haven't ate spaghetti so long without cheese. It tastes funny. You know, you're supposed to dip this in there. Put that sauce on there, you feel me?
Mom, no.
How everybody doing? Y'all good? One of y'all give me the hot sauce. Thank you. Gotta have the hot sauce on the spaghetti, y'all. Today was a long day for me, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all. For y'all that know, I was working at FedEx. As I was working at FedEx, I've been waiting to get into Amazon, the delivery station, and they called me to come take a drop. I went and took the drop. I just passed it, so I started working at Amazon Wednesday. $16 an hour, 4 days a week. What y'all do at school today, Shannon? You was working out again?
We work out every day. I'm tired. My stomach be sore. Yo, I got athletics.
Your stomach be sore. You know what that means. If your stomach be sore, it means you finna have some abs. If your stomach be sore, bro. Why you ain't eating none of your chicken yet?
I forgot we had the chicken.
I got that for you and your mama. You know, I don't eat it. I don't eat chicken with bones, y'all. My wife told me doing the video with us, but she handling business right now.
Give me some of y'all food.
Where she go?
Well, Charles had talked stuff about me.
No, we said you probably in the video.
Oh.
That's your food.
Why you got nothing to drink?
I ain't buy myself some drink
No,
of
you
water.
got that nasty.
I didn't have that day. I bought a number case of water.
I'm tired. This mine?
Yeah. There go the chicken. I want you to put a little bit of pink sauce on there and taste your chicken.
You taste it?
I ain't got nothing to taste it on.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you don't. Excuse me.
Don't get him started, babe.
Y'all need to pull over.
No, I'm full.
What?
That sauce is juice. It's good.
Did you try the pink sauce, Shannon?
Mm-hmm.
You like it? What taste like?
Spoil ranch.
You said spoiled ranch?
Mm-hmm. He don't like it.
I'm not a ranch fan.
But you gotta try it, babe, for the video. Just put a little bit on there.
Bye.
Fuck is this? Why I got y'all for the video?
That's why I got the sauce for it. Somebody to try it. Janet tried it on his finger.
You tried on your finger.
No, you supposed to try it on some food.
Try it on that bread.
Try it on the bread. You see what they did, y'all? I be trying to come with some videos for y'all,
Put
man.
that
They
shit on
be
that
tripping.
corn. Okay. Alright.
I'm not nasty.
I'm finna redo my house.
Oh, I'm full.
I'm thirsty. What am I gonna drink?
Girl, it's your food. You just came in and
No.
no, you came in straight to
I
plan.
don't care. I'm thirsty. Just like you down at market.
No.
Okay.
That bread was fire though.
What kind of sauce you got on here?
Oh, I'm full, babe. I ain't make no sauce. That's just how I season the chicken. Oh, I can't eat no more. I tried, y'all. You know the cook can't always eat their food. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Man, y'all.
Can you go to the store and grab me something to drink?
Be a video.
Yeah. Stop the motherfucking video. I need a drink.
Fuck you looking at like that? Oh my God, y'all.
Y'all see how this
Sit
motherfucker
down.
looked at me like I was talking crazy?
Honey.
Huh?
Honey,
up?
come get your baby.
What's up?
Oh, he said he wants some more.
What's the
Why you
most
lying and you ain't eat nothing? You lucky I can't see down there right now.
I'm a dead bigger slime.
All the bread.
Nah, eat your food first and I'm gonna give you mine.
What's up, y'all?
Daddy.
Oh, that shit is nasty.
What y'all been doing?
What?
Mm.
Just, Mom, try to pink sauce. Y'all, she not trying it.
That shit say it expired in 2024. It don't sound like it's no more now. I'm saying you disturbing our video.
Damn, Shannon, this spaghetti good. You banged.
I know.
He banged all his spaghetti, y'all.
We hadn't had spaghetti. You ain't put no cheese in it?
Nope.
That's why I'm not.
I
full.
said I ain't want no more cheese in my spaghetti for a while. Got tired of it.
We got some tea.
Excuse me. Nope. We
I
got
need
number
chocolate.
water.
I'm
You want some water?
I drink that all day.
You should have brought you some tea then, babe. The mixed tea
I
like
thought
you
we had some more tea.
did. I'll get some tomorrow.
And then, well, I thought you would have brought me something to drink since I was complaining the other day.
No, but I bought you everything else.
I don't know, but I'm thirsty. I've been drinking water.
Excuse me.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
What's good though, y'all, man?
57.
I'm trying to see what I talk about. What's been going on in my life besides?
Let's talk about why the fuck you looking at me like that. Let's talk about that.
Y'all see what's been going on in my life?
What's been going on in your life? And remember we made that bet. Y'all know she don't work at FedEx no more, right?
But you know why? Because
It don't matter.
Amazon reached out to
It
me.
is- what we say,
would
y'all-
know, and hold on, she really know why. Tell them really why.
It don't
Tell
matter.
me what happened.
It don't matter. We just said that
No,
you
but
not
I'm
gonna work
saying,
there.
but we thought that I was just gonna stop not working there. But
No.
tell them why.
Yeah, you did.
Listen, y'all, she a hater. She always.
Like something was going
No.
on.
Y'all here? She stopped
They
working
give
there.
me an hour and a half, bro. An hour and 30 minutes.
She still
But the
don't work
the
there.
real reason though, y'all, because Amazon reached out to me. If Amazon would not reach out to me, I would have still been there getting that hour and a half.
Y'all, I'm done.
Long story short, you got
But long story short, she don't fucking work there. That's the short story.
Yeah, I don't, y'all. I'm somewhat better.
Yeah, you are.
Probably the 75 cent off because it was FedEx was $16.75. Amazon 16.
And 20
And I liked it, FedEx, and they ain't even want me to go, y'all. They was trying to like move me to another shift and come out. Well, this shift you can get 5 hours, but I'm an early person. I like to get my shit and get over it. I'm not trying to be working at no midnight or late and all that. And if I'm gonna work a job, I at least need to get 8 hours or 10. Not no, I was going there, y'all. I was working there for 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And only going there, only one time I got 3-4 hours. I'm just going there getting out. And remind you, I'm driving 45 minutes to get there. 45 minutes to get there and going there only work an hour and a half. And you only getting $16.75. Now y'all do the math on that shit. Y'all add that shit up. 45-minute drive. $16.75.
Do the math
An
on it.
hour.
Yeah.
You go there, you only work 2 hours. Just like, you know, my damn day.
Yeah.
You doing the math, JoJo? You doing the math for me over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know what it is when you're done.
Okay.
What's that? Is it open?
Hot temperature.
I'm decent now, y'all.
What you got?
I just did this for y'all. I was finna do a Taco Bell mukbang for y'all. But let me tell y'all, right? Because last night I went to pick up my stepdaughter for work and I stopped and got some Taco Bell. So I'm like, man, I should do a video right now. I'm in the kitchen thinking. But I was so hungry. I'm like, man, I ain't got time. So I just started eating my food. She wake clean up out her sleep like a motherfucking zombie. What you got over there? She get right up, biting the shit out that damn taco. I had got the little deluxe box. I'm gonna do a video for y'all. They got a nice deluxe box.
Shut up.
Cause 4 people ate out that box. Me, her, Mimi, and I gave Bubble a taco.
Did you taste some tacos last night, Shana?
He was asleep.
Oh, knocked out.
He
Red
woke
put
up
some-
at the last minute.
No, Red put that cold pop on me.
He put that cold drink on.
While he was
Dad
asleep.
would not wake up.
He would not move until I put it on his head.
And somehow he was woke the whole time.
I was half woke.
Bubba,
No, I
give me
was
some
half
ice.
full. I felt it, but I wasn't
You got
strong enough
glass
to get up.
Hey, so for I see since we got like 5 or 6 new subscribers since our last video. So I'm Fontaine, y'all. Shannon, this little mama. You feel me? We from Chicago. We from Chi-Raq, the west side of Chicago. You feel me? All crazy. We moved to Texas, y'all. So now we out here in Texas. Been out here a year. I think it's just maybe a year, right? We've been out here a year. It was a little slow motion for us, but it's getting better right now. It's getting better. We was in a rush to hurry up and head back home without really giving the chance. Like everybody say, we just give it 2 years.
Yeah, we was like,
We like, fuck this. We ain't been here a year. We out of here. So we gonna give it another year, you guys. We gonna give it another year. And Honey ain't had the baby yet, y'all. She right here looking stupid as hell, about to blow up. Oh yeah, so y'all, Honey finna have a baby soon. What day, Honey?
Tuesday.
if she make it to
Tuesday.
Tuesday. If she make it
I'm
to
any
Tuesday.
day now, but Tuesday is the day that
Tuesday,
I have.
y'all. So y'all get ready for Fat Mama. Fat Mama, y'all finna be hearing another baby crying in the background. Fat Mama. I already got her nickname already, Fat Mama, cause she finna come out fat. That motherfucker.
know she gonna be fat.
Why you doing that corner like that, Ugly?
Yeah, y'all done eating? Me and Shannon done eating. You done, babe?
I'm stuffed.
Me too.
She didn't.
I wanted somebody to taste the sauce on the video with the
Here,
chicken.
you gonna taste it?
Bubba don't want to do it on the video though.
You everything.
Hey y'all, I'm just gonna have to make me some shrimp or something tomorrow and taste the pink sauce for y'all.
I thought Shannon tasted it.
He didn't taste it on video.
Shannon just tasted it on his finger.
Bro.
You could have just poured a little bit right there and dipped it.
Yeah.
She finna taste it, y'all.
I thought you was gonna pull it.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Shorty?
What's up, Shorty? Like she acting scared to taste
I'm
it.
not.
Y'all,
Black lady made that. We gotta support
I don't
black
give no
business.
fuck.
We gotta support
Hell
black
no.
movement.
Why?
I'm supposed to stand in one line.
It's like spoiled ranch.
They taste, but it do, and it smell like it though, y'all. It smell like what they saying. That's crazy. I've been seeing a lot more good reviews than bad. I'm still gonna try it myself, y'all. I'm gonna fry me some chicken tenders or
How much
something.
you
Do a
pay for that?
video for y'all
How much you pay
tomorrow.
for that?
Like, I think it was like $7.40 something. So, yeah, y'all. You know, everybody got to do it, try it themselves to really see if they like it. But both of them said they don't like it.
Yeah. What?
I'm gonna try it tomorrow. I'm gonna fry something for y'all. I'm gonna try it for y'all for lunch tomorrow. I'll do a video tomorrow. I'm gonna fry some chicken tenders, and it smell like it though. It smells like and loud vinegar.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all, the ones that still watch. You feel me? We appreciate y'all. We'll be back with another video in a couple days. Well, I'm gonna be back with a video. I'm dropping video for y'all tomorrow. All right, don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend. Chi-Raq family did it again. We out of here. Peace.